Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. Last Thursday, the CDC issued a major announcement, updating their guidance on mask wearing. Masks and physical distancing are no longer required for fully vaccinated individuals in most situations, including indoors. This applies unless otherwise required by law or workplace policy. Epstein, Becker, Susan Gross, Sholinsky, and Shira are here to help employers navigate this new guidance.
As I'm sure everybody has heard by now, the CDC has come out with some guidance for fully vaccinated individuals. In essence, those individuals can begin to engage in all the activities they engaged in pre-pandemic with certain exceptions. Individuals must also comply with any federal, state, local, or tribal rules, regulations, or policies that are also in place. And they must comply with any policies put into place by their employers. It's important for employers to not only comply with federal guidance from the CDC and now from OSHA, which has aligned with the CDC, but also local and state guidance as well. Oftentimes, that local guidance is more specific to the jurisdiction where the employer does business. And if challenged that the employer is not maintaining a safe workplace, it's important for the employer to be able to show that not only is it complying with federal guidance, but also state and local guidance.
Companies who also qualify as places of public accommodation under the Americans with Disabilities Act, like retailers or hotels, have not only their employees to protect, but their customers or guests as well. Those companies need to determine how they are going to accommodate employees and customers who claim that they can't get vaccinated either because of a disability or a sincerely held religious belief, while also providing a safe, secure space for employees and customers.
To the extent employers do eventually decide to allow fully vaccinated employees to go without masks, the next question becomes, how do we find out which employees are fully vaccinated? An employer has a couple of options here. It could either ask employees to simply affirm that they've been vaccinated, but others may feel that this is not sufficient, so they may wish to require proof.
One of the most common requests that employers have been and expect to continue to get is whether employees can continue to work from home as they have been for the last year, even if they have been vaccinated. The EEOC has made clear that just because employers previously allowed work from home in the last year to help slow the spread of COVID, it doesn't mean that they automatically have to continue to allow employees to work from home forever. But if employees were previously denied work from home requests for accommodation due to the employer's concerns about their ability to effectively perform their job functions, but they successfully engaged in that work from home during the pandemic, it may be more difficult for an employer to deny that request now. Companies considering what requests for accommodations look like for members of the public who claim that they can't wear a mask because of a disability need to make a decision about how they can accommodate that person while still providing for the safe operations of the business. Companies can consider whether they want to allow alternative face coverings like scarves or face shields to provide access to services.
One other wrinkle is that at least one state has made vaccination status a protected category. Therefore, employers can't take adverse actions based on an individual's vaccination status. We'll see if other states follow suit.
Thanks, Shira and Susan, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.